So hello friends, welcome to Smart Padho, your favorite channel for daily GK and current affairs. In today's video, we will explore some amazing and important general knowledge questions that every learner should know. So let's begin and see how much you remember about India. First question is, who protects the Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is Special Protection Group SPG. Second question is, which is the world's largest film studio? Correct answer is A. Ramoji Film Studio. Located in Hyderabad, Ramoji Film City holds the Guinness World Record as the largest integrated film city in the world. Third question is, which was the first IIT established in India? The correct answer is IIT Kharagpur. Established in 1951, IIT Kharagpur was the first Indian institute of technology to start operations. Question 4. In which year was the PIN code system introduced in India? The correct answer is C. 1972. The PIN postal index number system was introduced by Shriram Bikhaji Velankar on 15 August 1972 to simplify mail sorting. Fifth question is, who is the first Indian bowler to take a hat-trick in Test cricket? The correct answer is B. Harbhajan Singh. Harbhajan Singh took a Test hat-trick against Australia in 2001 at Eden Gardens, Kolkata. Sixth question is, who is the first Indian to win an Oscar? The correct answer is B. Bhanu Athaiya. Bhanu Athaiya won the Oscar in 1983 for Best Costume Design in the film Gandhi. Question 7. Whose memorial is known as the Veer Bhumi? The correct answer is C. Rajiv Gandhi. Veer Bhumi is the Samadhi of former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in New Delhi. Eighth question is, who wrote the song सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा? The correct answer is C. Allama Iqbal. The patriotic song was written in 1904 by poet Allama Iqbal. Ninth question is, in Hindu mythology, who was the son of Dushyant and Shakuntala? The correct answer is A. Bharat. Question 10. Who is known as the father of AI in India? The correct answer is A. Dr. Raj Reddy. Dr. Raj Reddy is an Indian-born computer scientist known for his pioneering work in artificial intelligence and robotics. 11th question is, dream is not that which you see while sleeping, it is that which does not let you sleep. Who said it? The correct answer is B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Kalam, also known as the Missile Man of India, inspired millions through his motivational quotes. Question 12. What is India's current population according to 2025? The correct answer is 142 crores. India surpassed China in 2023 to become the world's most populous country. Question 13. What is the traditional Indian garment for women? The correct answer is B. Sari. The sari is a timeless Indian garment worn across regions in various styles and fabrics. Question 14. Which city is known as the City of Dreams? The correct answer is C. Mumbai. Mumbai is called the City of Dreams as it is home to Bollywood and India's financial hub. Question 15. When was GST introduced in India? Correct answer is 2017. The Goods and Service Tax GST was implemented on 1st July 2017, replacing multiple indirect taxes. Question 16th. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? The correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu became the first woman governor of Uttar Pradesh in 1947 after India's independence. 17th question is, what is the national tree of India? The correct answer is C. Banyan tree. The banyan tree symbolizes longevity and is considered sacred in Indian culture. It represents eternal life. Question 18th. Who designed the Indian national flag? The correct answer is A. Pingali Venkaiah. The tricolor flag we use today was designed by Pingali Venkaiah, a freedom fighter from Andhra Pradesh in 1921. 19th question is, which is the highest civilian award in India? The correct answer is D. Bharat Ratna. The Bharat Ratna, instituted in 1954, is India's highest civilian honor awarded for exceptional service in any field of human endeavor. Last question of this video is, which major initiative launched by PM Narendra Modi aims to make India a global manufacturing hub? The correct answer is B. Make in India. Launched on 25 September 2014, the Make in India initiative encourages national and multinational companies to manufacture their products in India, boosting employment and exports. Extra fact is, the initiative focuses on 25 key sectors such as automobile, defense, manufacturing, and electronics. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and stay curious. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.